Dougie, I'm fresh, my Dougie, I'm fresh, yeah. Glide in the buggy, my Dougie, my Dougie, my Dougie, my Dougie, my Dougie, my Dougie. She said she like my Dougie, I'm fresh, yeah, my Dougie, I'm fresh, my Dougie, I'm fresh, yeah. Glide in the just got made, dressed to impress, Take this club up if I feel some disrespect. I just wanna find a chick, pull up with this pop the beats, and I wanna work hard, cause I'm playing for success. My nugget fresh, I'm get the choosing. Middle of the club, jamming hard to my music.
Once again, we got a couple of raffles coming up at 12:30 p.m. Family 4-pack to Slitterbomb, $3 a ticket. Also, movie passes for $1 a ticket. Drawings will be at 12:30 p.m. All donations go to Abilene Extreme Cheer. We also got a new raffle from La Leyenda tattoo place here in town. $5 tickets for $300 tax. So if you want to sign up, come to the Extreme Cheer booth. Also got the watermelon eating contest also coming up. If you want to sign up for that, come to the DJ booth. I don't know where the paper is. DJ, go ahead, man.
Play the game like I do. I'm getting that money and getting street money too. Yeah, Jack, I'm a gangster, gangster, gangster. G-A-N-G-S-T-A. I keep it real all day, every damn day. Ain't gonna never change, homie. I'ma stay this way. You know it. Leader of them outlaws. Make the city crowd rip hard for the crib. They got we